Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your windscreen wiper blades of your Smart 2. Let's have a place at the driver's seat, and we go and place our windscreen wiper into maintenance or service position. With this, switch on the ignition, and then we go down to setting 3 and keep it there. Now we lift up our windscreen wipers. We fold the wiper arms away from the windscreen and secure them by using a sponge. We press the two release clamps on mounting in the direction of away from the car screen, and then we can slide the wiper blade out of the fittings until the wiper blade security hook is revealed. Then we remove the wiper blades. Job's done. To attach a new one, we slide the new wiper blades in to the direction to the windscreen, onto the mounting on the wiper arm. The wiper blade engages. We make sure that the wiper blade is seated correctly. And after this, we fold the wiper arm back onto the windscreen, and the wiper arm blade is replaced. We're going to the back side of the car. We remove the key from the ignition lock, for example. We fold the wiper arms away from the rear window until it engages. Good job. Then we turn the wiper blade into the direction to the rear window until it is released from the retainer in the wiper arm itself. We remove the wiper blade. Job's done. To attach a new one, we push the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm until we feel it engage. We turn the wiper blade parallel to the wiper arm, and we make sure that the wiper blade is seated correctly. We fold the wiper arm back onto the rear window, and it is locked. And the job is done, and we are replaced the windscreen wiper blades. Really cool. As you can see, easy going, baby. Then have a seat at the driver's side, ignition on, and get back the wiper blades into position. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.